Welcome to this Delft Stack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to add friends on Strava. First, just go ahead and open Strava app on your mobile phone. If you do not have it installed yet, just go to App Store or Play Store, and then just go ahead and search for Strava and install the app. Once installed, just go ahead and open the app, and you will land on the home screen. And now here at the bottom of the screen, you will see different tabs such as Home, Map, Record, Groups, and you just add friends. Just go ahead and tap on the Groups tab. And now this will open the section where you can see Club and Challenges. Now look at the search icon at the top. Just go ahead and click on the search icon here. And here, search for the people that you want to add as friends on Strava. And here you also have the option to search from contacts, and you even have Facebook if you have linked your account, or you have also method like QR codes to find friends more easily. Once you find a person, you can send a follow request or add them depending on their profile settings. And once they accept, they will appear in your friend or following list, and you can interact and share activities with them. And that's it. We just learned how to add friends on Strava, and by using the Groups section and search option to connect with other users. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next Delft Stack tutorial video.